Tressa, hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the way I look today. I've been pulling weeds outside and it's very hot and humid here. But I have a pack of chicken wings in my refrigerator that I need to use. And also, I've been wanting to use the air fryer on a video, and I don't know if I'm going to call it a review, or it's not like it just came out, but I might call it that. Anyway, I always wanted to try to make chicken wings, and I bought this it's a seasoning pack, and I also have this to go with it. I had this or garlic parmesan to go with it. Let me show you the chicken wings and what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of let this marinate a little while Ella's at school. And let me turn the camera around and show you what I have. It's about 1.5 pounds. And this packet actually says for 2 pounds, but that's okay. But, and I might be making a mistake, but I'm going to add just a little bit of my Cajun's Choice seasoning. I'm going to be very careful not to over salt it, because every once in a while I do that. But I find that chicken just needs a little extra seasoning. I know I always repeat myself. I apologize if you already heard that before. That was barely any. So let's, I even thought about soaking them in buttermilk for a little while, but I'm just putting, not that much at all. Hope you can see. Sorry about the lighting, and my kitchen is actually a wreck right now. So let me open this. I'm also going to put, I always wanted to try this sauce. Believe it or not, I've never tried it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this. And I have this is my clean hand, and I have no idea how hot this is. This is a test. I've grilled these before, but I've fried them before. I'm sorry, I've fried them before, but I've never used them in the oven or in the air fryer. So the air fryer we've been really happy with. My father gave that to me because he was unhappy with it. So let me wash my hands, and then I'll show you the next step. I was reading the package. It's basically salt, paprika, red pepper, sugar, cayenne pepper, sauce, distilled vinegar, garlic, onion, yeast extract, modified cornstarch. Anyway, it's got all that stuff in it. Oh, and these are very good fried, but I'm trying to go a little bit healthier. So I'm just going to take my Ziploc bag and then dump this inside. And see if I can just dump them inside without making a mess, so I don't have to touch it again. It's one thing about cooking meat, you have to wash your hands 50 times. So I'm just going to get all the air out. I thought about even putting a little buttermilk in here, but since I don't want to go crazy, since it's my first experiment with the air fryer. We've tried I did baked potatoes in the air fryer. And we've done a lot of like we love those Checkers fries you can get in the frozen sections of the store, and we like to bake them. Those, all that stuff comes out really, really nice in the air fryer, and it cooks pretty quickly. So I'm just rubbing this all around, trying to anyway. I see I have a big pocket over here. I don't know how well of a job I'm doing, but anyway, I'm gonna do this and mix it all around the best I can. Might have to get my hands in there. It looks pretty spicy, so I didn't put a lot of seasoning. I really held back on the. Yeah, I'm so behind today, so I thought, well, I want to do this air fryer video, and thought I'd just bring you guys along because it's so much fun when we do these cook with me videos. I mean, I like them. Just let me know if you guys like them. I know sometimes I can talk too much, so I'm going to try to quit doing that so much and just get straight to the cooking. Anyway, there it is. So I'm going to put that in the refrigerator, and we'll be back when it's time. Sorry, I forgot to show you the air fryer. I've just put it on the stove. It's a Power Air Fryer XL, but that's the and I forgot the size, but it's quite large. You can see. And I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time, but it's pretty big. They're gonna fit there with no problem. So I'll be back. I just wanted to show you the air fryer. Here's my chicken. I let it marinate about it's been about 2 hours, and I took it out of the refrigerator to let it get not so cold. So I'm just gonna dump it in here, and try to spread it out. And I sprayed the basket with cooking spray. Hopefully it won't make too much of a mess. And all the fat's gonna drip down, so that makes it better for you. So let me plug this in. Okay. Oh, this is the part I need help with. Okay, let me show you the air fryer. So we're gonna put it in. This is where I have trouble making it turn on, and Ella's good at it. 360. We're gonna do 20 minutes, and that's it. So, well, I'm probably gonna check them midway through, and I'll show it. Here's the chicken wings. Now, there's a couple that are a little dark, but these are they are cooked thoroughly. I checked one, and I actually tasted one, and I call it a marinade. I don't think it really is a marinade, but I like to marinate my chicken. It's really good. I think you could make a dipping sauce with it, but adding this little bit of this hot sauce to it, I can taste the vinegary taste. I love it. So I'm gonna plate these up, and it's not gonna be that pretty, but anyway, this air fryer really did a really good job, and it did 20 minutes exactly at 360. And I'm very excited, and let's do a taste test and try to come up with a dip, just a little bed of lettuce underneath. And I made a little sauce, very simple. I used a little ranch, and I love this stuff. Believe it or not, this is the first time we've ever tried it. And we mixed it, and Ella drizzled it on top, and you know, and it's going to be delicious on the lettuce as well. So Ella's going to do the taste test for me today, since I look like, you know what, poo-poo. But they are really good. So
I'm back on the taste test.
And I look terrible.
And since I don't like biting directly into it because I eat around the skin.
I like the skin because the air fryer made it really crispy.
I got a piece and I dipped it and I'm going to eat it.
And that was a great value seasoning pack, and it worked out really well. What was it? I'm sorry, I forgot the name of it already. Buffalo style it's called.
And the buffalo style marinade goes really well with the sauce because the flavors kind of complement each other. Because the buffalo wings are kind of like salty, kind of zesty, and the ranch is like ultra zesty, and it like goes well together. And the chicken has a good texture, and the air fryer definitely made it crispy and got the flavors in well, even though it was only in there for like not that long. And so we definitely like recommend the air fryer.
And it cuts the calories.
It cuts the calories. I mean, it's a win-win.
You don't fry, so you cut the calories in half. So it's amazing. I really, I feel bad. My dad had a bad experience with it with fish, and so he just gave up and gave it away, which I'm fortunate. But I want to do more recipes this way, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's not too long. And I'm so grateful to Ella for doing the taste test for me. Anyway, come back and see me tomorrow because I have a delicious recipe coming up. Please subscribe if you haven't, if you want great recipes, and come back and see us, and like and share and subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you.